Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am looking for a snack recipe, something that can be served to the kids when they come back from school, or I could also give them in the lunchbox or for a weekend just for us to share. So I didn't want anything Indian, so I thought it's time to get Cook the Book episode out, and I have chosen Smitten Kitchen Keepers, and this book is the new book by Deb Perelman, and it's full of really kind of easy, simple recipes. What I really want to try is the pea feta and mint fritters. I have got all of this stuff in my fridge and cupboard, so I thought that's it. Good excuse to make it. Right, before I start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any notifications. No, so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. Right, let's get cooking. To begin with, I have got here 300 grams of frozen peas, or you could use 2 cups of frozen peas. And I'm just going to run this through tap water just to defrost them. To prepare the mixture, I'm going to crack three eggs in a bowl first. And now half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and also some freshly ground black pepper and zest of 1 lemon. I'm using unwaxed lemon for the zest. And also going to add 100 grams of feta, just going to crumble it up. And then just a handful of fresh mint leaves. I've roughly chopped them up. It says around 15 grams. I'm going to give this a mix and then add a couple more things to it. Next, I'm going to add the defrosted peas. Mix it up. And then all that's left is some kind of flour to bind this together. So I have got 90 grams of plain or all-purpose flour, as some of you might call it. Do that and then just combine it. And while I'm mixing this, after this I'm going to quickly heat up a pan to cook these up. So this looks like a nice kind of sticky mixture. I'm sure these will be absolutely delicious. Right, nice hot pan, couple of tablespoons or more of oil. Okay, I think the oil is ready. So I'm just going to take a heaped scoop and flatten it out a little bit. There you go, and that looks pretty good. I think I'm going to do 5 at a time, just a couple of minutes on each. So it's been a couple of minutes. I just want to check. Oh, I'll give it another minute. I think it's time to turn them over. Oh yeah. I'll give it a bit more color. I'll leave it another minute. beautiful. I think it's time to get these out of the pan. Right, so here they are. The last batch is cooking now. I'm just going to quickly prepare a yogurt dip. So just a couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a little pinch of salt. I'm using the same lemon I used the zest of. Just going to sprinkle some za'atar on this. I think it will go really well with the fritters. So here's our dip. I'm just going to place the fritters around it. Simple, and this was ready in literally 10-15 minutes. So quick. Look at that. These look and smell so amazing, so quick to make. I'll leave the link to the book in the description below. You can check it out. And it's time for me to check these fritters out. Oh boy, it's so good. It's like light, cushiony fritters. There's no crispness in this, but I think that what is their characteristic. Beautifully kind of pillowy. It's still smoky. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And I have to say that za'atar on top of the yogurt really does work very, very well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you back here for another new recipe very, very soon. Bye for now. What's not to like? Pea mint feta fritters in 15 minutes. Enjoy.